Christmas song. The Christmas tree's on fire, Santa's holding the lighter. My parents are both liars, I got gifts but 1 subscribers. Thanks for the candy basket, oh god, another jacket. My stocking's filled with acid, am I dreaming? What just happened? This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month cause they want presents in sight. This year had me so mad, I've been bad, got coal that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories.
Okay guys, so I was really struggling with the bumper, trying to get it mounted. I've always had an issue with this bumper, and it's not an OEM one, it is poly. It's a really nice bumper, but I've always had issues with it fitting up properly. I don't know if that's due to the conversion on the front or if this bump, I don't know, but all I know is I just went inside, took a break, ate. I feel a little bit more energized, so I'm gonna try to figure out some stuff. So let me show you what we did end up doing, which did not work though. So as you can see, we have these bumper tabs here. We got it off right now, but I went ahead and welded up this tab, and then we got this here. It turns out this is not even in the right spot. It should be much longer actually, but nonetheless, I'm just really struggling because no matter what I do, that side seems to fit up perfect, but this side it has to be pulled in so much. And even if I try to just move the bumper that way, it just still doesn't seem to want to fit up properly. So I think what I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this off, this piece, and I'm gonna weld on another one. Yeah, I think we're gonna do that. I'm gonna have to cut a little bit of up here. I know you guys can't really see that, but I'm gonna have to cut a little bit up here as well. Extend this down longer, drill out a whole nother hole, and then kind of just go from there, really. We did it. I got it, guys. I just kept playing around with it. We had to cut that whole tab back off and reposition everything, and I finally got it. Check it out. So I did have to shave some of the bumper, and the fitment, you can see it's not the best, but this isn't even bolted in yet. So we can put this still here, and this will hold everything in right there. And that's what we got. I'm very, very happy. One other thing I want to do is I want to drill this out because I really want this to stay. I've never had that really stay before, and that's something that I think I really would like to have. The hard part is doing all this without the headlight in. Is very simple. With the headlight in, it's a little difficult. Again, for those of you guys that don't know, we have a G37 conversion on the G35, so it's a little complicated. But what I pretty much did was, yeah, like I said, we shaved that down. There's the brackets and stuff right there, which we're gonna eventually weld up more, but it's pretty strong right now. It's definitely on there. I found center on the bumper, moved it over just a tad, and that's pretty much what we're looking like. On the hood side, which isn't really good. I mean, definitely not good. It almost needs to like come up, but yeah, it's definitely not the best, but we're gonna roll with that. I think that's gonna be fine. if anything, we can buy like a rubber trim to put right up in there. This side shouldn't be as hard. You can see already the fitment is just like really good. I don't know why it's always been, this side has been very, very difficult, and I'm very happy with that.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative, I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase a bag, I want a way I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. Going down, I'll give up everything. Daunting, if I could see my dreams, I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I want a reality. Don't let go, don't let go. I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I want a reality.
I just wanna find a way out, sick of the venom in my brain. Running from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this. I just wanna break these chains. Always asking for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen too many once that I so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started the outlaws for profit. Now all I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted.